All right, today we're going to make a homemade meal. I'm super excited. This is a really very fast, I think really easy chicken meal with rice and broccoli. So what you need is some chicken breasts, grated Parmesan cheese, some Caesar dressing, sour cream. This will be on the chicken, and I'm going to serve it with rice. I got this organic broccoli at Trader Joe's. Any broccoli will do, or any vegetable actually, just something on the side. Yeah, let's get cooking. All right, in an oil pan, you want to put the chicken on here. These chickens are a little bit thinner. They're not super thick, which I think is really good, actually. This one's really thin right here. We'll do one more. I can do one more, okay? All right, you got 4 chickens in there. Okay, there we go. All right, to make the dressing, you need 1 cup of Caesar dressing. Just pour it into this bowl right here. You also need a half a cup of sour cream. And we have almost a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Add that in there. And then just go ahead and stir it until it's nice and smooth. Preheat oven to 375. I just had a little sample of this. This kind of reminds me of the artichoke dip, especially with the sour cream and the Parmesan cheese. It's really good. So what you do now, you just basically pour this mixture on the chicken, all over the chicken. Oh, it's going to be amazing, guys. Like I said, it's my first time making this recipe, but it looks really good, so I think it'll be good. Let's cover this with the chicken. Looks like it's a lot of sauce. Hope it's not too much sauce, but looks really covered in sauce. All right, so you want to take the rest of this cheese and you just want to sprinkle it over the mixture like that. All right, so I'm going to go in the oven for 30 minutes at 375 degrees. So it's my first time trying to make rice in the Instant Pot. I thought I would do it for this recipe. So I added 1 cup of water and 1 cup of rice. I didn't strain the rice. So now we're gonna put the lid on. So it's my first time making rice in Instant Pot. I think it just hit rice. I think that's all you do. So hopefully it will start, and you're supposed to let the steam out gradually. All right, I think the rice is done. I think I overcooked it because I didn't have it on the, yeah, it's a little bit dry. I didn't do it right because I didn't have it on, the controls weren't on the right setting, but it's good enough for me, huh? Now let's take a look at my dish. Is it done? Wow, it's bubbling. I think it's done, guys. Wow, that looks amazing. Wow. It's really hot too. All right, guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a home cooked meal, something different. And this is like a chicken. It's a mixture of sour cream, Parmesan cheese, and Caesar dressing over rice with broccoli. I found this recipe on YouTube. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the link in the description. You can check her channel out. Great. So the video that I found this video, I don't know if you guys know, there's a YouTube thing going on right now where the title is called, like, on the videos, "What's for dinner?" I think that's what it is. That's what's for dinner. So if you go on YouTube and you search for "What's for dinner," you're gonna find all these videos of where people what they post. They post what they eat for dinner. Usually it's a home cooked meal. Sometimes it's fast food, but I like the home cooked meals. It gives me some ideas, you know. Salt and pepper for both of these. Now let's try this chicken and rice. Yeah, it's so good. It's different. Super easy to make. Yeah, and that rice and the sauce is so good together. Wow. So yeah, anyways, The channel is called Mandy in the Making. She does these videos. She uploads every Friday, and she will post what's for dinner, like what she eats for dinner. It may not be every video every day, maybe like 3 videos or 3 dinners a week. And usually every time I see her videos, they look really good. Like all of them look so really good. Try this chicken. Yeah, that's good. The rice with the sauce is really good. Wow. This is organic broccoli from Trader Joe's. Let's try it out. It's pretty good. Yeah, really good. So back to Maddie in the Making. Her channel is really great. What I like a lot about her channel versus the other channels when people post what's for dinner weekly videos is her channels just seem like they're more healthy. They're more different. They're not just like hot dogs and burgers or just something different. She's done homemade fish and chips. She's done Dr. Pepper chili dogs, which I'm definitely gonna try Dr. Pepper chili dogs really soon. I'm really craving that. And there's actually another recipe that I want to try. I might film it this Saturday night since I'm off Saturday night. It's gonna be a long prep, but it's called a Mexican cornbread and Mexican soup, and I want to try that. And she has it on her channel as well. I'm hoping I want to try it. but if you're looking for a really easy meal, this is super easy. It's so easy. I can't believe how easy it was. Oh yeah. So good. So it has a mixture. You can, if you like Caesar dressing, you would like this dish because it's like you can taste a little sour cream, a little Caesar dressing, a little cheese flavor. I feel like I taste more of the cheese flavor and the Caesar dressing. There wasn't really a lot of sour cream versus the Caesar dressing and the cheese. But yeah, very good. Oh. So guys, I'm super excited. I am off this Friday night. I never get Friday nights off, but I requested it only because I can see some movies in my bedroom because I never get to see movies. I don't have time. I mean, I guess I could see a movie like on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday night, but it's just like, I'd rather see a movie on Friday night and so I can just relax. Don't have to get up too early for work. But I guess I could still see a movie on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but and then I have Saturday off. I've requested that off as well, just to relax. It's working way too much. So sometimes at my job, when you request time off, they get kind of angry, so they'll cut your hours. So next week, I don't care. I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday off. I'll usually have Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday nights off, but I think and we're really short-handed. They just did that because they want to get back at me. It happened before. One time I took off a week off at to go to San Diego, and I had 2 weeks off. That's how the job works. But even though we're really short-handed. But so I'm excited to have Thursday off. I can maybe cook some more home-cooked meals. I just don't have time to cook a lot when I work so much, you know. So would I say this meal is healthy? I don't know if it's super healthy with the Caesar dressing and the sour cream and the cheese, but it does have broccoli. You can serve it with broccoli or a vegetable. It's kind of healthy. I think it's better than fast food, but it's really good. You know, I think if you guys have kids, they would love this dish. It's really good. I love it. Mm. So my work, my day job, there's this guy that wants to be in a video with me and do a food review. And then he's trying to get this other guy, he's actually a mechanic at my job, and this other guy to do another food review with me. So it's kind of funny. So you maybe might see some other people, maybe some guy workers doing a food review with me at my day job. We'll see. But if it does happen, that'd be cool. Mm. Yeah, I would make this dish again. This could be one of my regular dishes to make. So easy. It's so good. Mm. Well, guys, that was amazing. That was so good. I hope you try this recipe out. I mean, I really liked it. It was very simple, easy. I have 3 more chickens left, so I can probably easily freeze it or have it for a few more nights. It was really good. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out Mandy in the Making, her channel. I will leave her link in the description down below. If you do subscribe to her, let her know that Karebear sent you. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.